Layering jewelry can feel tricky, but today I'll show you how to nail that effortless chic look like a pro stylist in under 2 minutes. For round necks, think symmetry. Keep your earrings simple. Tiny hoops or studs work best to balance the layered neckline. Minimal earrings let your necklace layers shine without overwhelming your look. Second, V necklines. For V-necks, follow the V with your jewelry. Start with a short, V-shaped or lariat necklace to accentuate the neckline. Add a slightly longer chain with a vertical pendant. Keep the shapes angular, it elongates your neck and looks polished. Third is off-shoulder neckline. With off-shoulder tops, your collarbone is the star. A chunky choker or collar necklace sets the foundation. Pair it with a fine chain just below the collarbone, and maybe a third layer that drops to your décolletage. Fourth is button-down shirts. Button-down shirts are secretly the best canvas for jewelry layering. Start with a choker or short chain that hugs the neck. Keep 1 or 2 buttons open to create a natural frame. Layering isn't about quantity though, it's about harmony. Mix lengths, match your neckline, and let each piece tell a story.
If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, guys. It helps more than you know. Hit subscribe and drop a comment with what neckline you struggle with most. Bye.